Dear class teacher, parents and dearest children, I am happy to attend this function, though it is a virtual one. May I congratulate all the selected leaders and wish them all the best. However, remember that all of you are a leader. There is a hidden leader in each one of you. All of you will have a chance to be leaders. It's a matter of pride, but remember that it entails a responsibility. When you are a leader, you have to be role model to the rest. You need to coordinate and assist the teachers in the smooth running of the classes. As we are in the pandemic times, some of your duties may not function as in a regular school days, but there are other ways. I am sure your class teachers will instruct you about it. I congratulate the parents who are molding your words for the leadership role. I finally entrust you to the Almighty God and wish you all the very best in the execution of your duties. God bless you. Have a great day.